How to fix messages notification not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, first of SMS. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down. Click on apps now. Here you will see app search. Messages app now. Click on messages app. Scroll down now. Here you will see force stop. And if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, messages app will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on search bar, search do not disturb and click on do not disturb and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon, swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. This is how you can fix messages notification not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.